Okay, let's dive into writing incredible stories from beginning to end.
Ever get that feeling, staring at a blank page? Don't worry, we've got a plan for that. Great stories are built step by step, so let's start right at the beginning. Okay, let's craft that opening. Your first paragraph, it's got two super important jobs. First, it sets the scene. And second, that style has to stay consistent the whole way through. Now for a big one, a decision that changes everything. Who is telling your story? You could be an all-knowing narrator, or get right inside a character's head and see their view. Okay, let's build toward the action. This is the lead up. What happens right before the big event? This part pushes the action forward. And here's a cool trick. Try working backwards. Start with the end result, then the main event. Then just ask, what happened right before that? All right, on to the grand finale. Let's see how to nail that perfect ending. So here's the key. Your final paragraph should only resolve the main event, nothing else. And this is a big one. Avoid introducing new events, and please, no cliffhangers. So, are you ready to become a master storyteller? If you want some expert help, this whole framework comes from the experts at Focus Tutoring. They'll help you level up your skills. You should totally check out their school holiday special. It's the perfect place to practice. It's an awesome program with mock tests that are perfect for GATE and NAPLAN prep. The holiday program runs from January 14th to the 22nd, and Term 1 starts January 31st. Want to learn more? Give this number a call to enroll and lock over slot. So go on, enroll now. We can't wait to see what kind of story you'll write first.